Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
First, update your Flipper 0 to the latest official firmware release. This ensures NFC support and stability during writing operations. Use compatible NFC tags such as NTag 213 or NTag 215 for best results and compatibility. Prepare the data dump on your computer or smartphone and save it as a bin or NFC file. Keep an original backup copy in a separate folder. Confirm the file size and format before starting to avoid corrupt writes. Power on the Flipper 0 and open the NFC application from the main menu. Choose the Write Nfc option and navigate to the bin or NFC file you prepared. Place the NFC tag directly on the Flipper antenna area, centered and flat to ensure stable contact. Confirm the write action on the screen and wait for the progress indicator to finish. The write usually completes in 3 to 6 seconds. Remove the tag only after the device reports success. Immediately verify your write by selecting Read NFC and comparing the read dump to your original file. If the contents match, your write succeeded and the tag is usable. If the Flipper reports an error, inspect the tag for manufacturer locks or password protection. Some tags are read-only or permanently locked and cannot be overwritten. Try a different compatible tag or reformat if the tool offers that function. Always keep backups to restore data if a tag becomes unusable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.